In this chapter, we'll look at the quick access toolbar. So in the upper right corner, you can see these sorts of icons. These are the quick access toolbar. So if you want to, like use some icons, every time if you don't need to go there, every time if you are not interested to go to that, like suppose you frequently print or some page setup, if you want to print area or any buttons or any icons, if you want to use it frequently, you can set it on the quick access toolbar. So in the quick access toolbar, we can see that here is the file, here is the save options. So every time you don't need to go to that specific one, just if you go to that quick access toolbar, you can go there. So here I can say that every time you go there, you can save very easily. You don't need to the file, then save or etc. any other options. So here here is the redo options, undo options, like here I can show you the, like if you want to go undo it, or if you want to redo it, you can do this from this quick access toolbar. So it is for your own ease to use that quick access toolbar. So those icons that you use frequently, you can use that quick access toolbar. So here if you want to add something, or if you don't want to see something in this quick access toolbar, so you can edit it from here. Just click here, you can go, like if you want to show the print icon, then just tick here, then you will see the print icon. So from here you can click and then just print, like that. So from here, like for more commands, if whatever you want, everything, every icon, so you can set on the quick access toolbar. So like if you want to quick point, print, paste, like insert table, if you want to add it on the quick access toolbar, just insert table, then just click here and then save. And you can see that the insert table here, and then you can use it very easily. So there are lots of options in Excel. Just follow along with all the lectures and you will be an expert in Excel.